welcome back to the studio. So today I'm going to use a canvas that I purchased at Salvation Army. I'm going to paint over it, and I'm going to paint with acrylic paints and a used gift card. So stay tuned. This is something fun you could try at home. Thanks. All right, so again, I have a used canvas. I've put a little bit of a white base paint on the back of it just to cover. I'm not sure what paint was used on the previous canvas. I got it at a dollar store. I have covered the back with tape, push pins, hoping to make sure there's not a lot to stick to the back if there's flow over, and also to protect the back if I do some resin. I can pull that right off without having to do much sanding. So right now I'm going to do a swipe, and I'm going to use purple as my swipe color. Actually, it's an amethyst from Deco Art Amethyst, and so it's 1/3 paint, acrylic paint, and 2/3 Floetrol. So you'll see that going on the top, and on the bottom I'm just going to use up some of my extra paints. If you've seen any of my previous videos, you know that when I paint on my silicone mat or I paint on a piece of visqueen or plastic, I do scrape off the extra paint, and then I have paints left over. So I have all kinds of weird colors. We're going to just make some splotches here and there and fill it in by swiping. So this is a brown. There's no silicone in this one. I'm not sure if there's any metallic mixed in, but that's okay because some of these have metallic in them and some of them do not. I think I might not use that one. So this is a yellow. I mixed this up with my Floetrol mix also. And it's a little liquidy, but that's okay. And you'll see why it doesn't matter what the pattern is in just a minute. This is Palmer paints. Now I think this one is mixed with Liquitex. Don't know how that's going to add to that mixture. We'll see. If I don't like the color composition, I might add some paints that are not recycled. We'll see. But ironically, I have so many of these. Lots of blues. I must paint a lot with blue because I have a whole lot of those. You can see the yellow is a little more runny. Oh, and this one's really kind of nice. It's a lipstick pink. Almost purplish. Now these are fun colors. I have a green. Wow. It's a kind of a dark green. And I do like to use these up after a little while because they do not stay forever. They do start getting either too thick or they start drying up if they're not sealed right. All right, see what I mean? See the dried part? All right, so to add a little bit of contrast, I'm going to put some pearl white on there. Actually, I'm going to put just some plain white. And we'll see how that comes out. All right, so I think I'm going to do my swipe in kind of a unique way. So I don't know if you've ever seen anyone do this before. There is an artist out there that does this with playing cards. So I'm going to do this swipe today with this library card, or looks like it is a gift card that has been used. Let me move all these. So what I do is I'm going to dip it in my cell activator with purple, and I'm just going to swipe. Swipe here, swipe there. And see how this side is still ready? See the cells coming up? And that is with no silicone, that's just with a thinned Floetrol and paint mixture. And I just keep dipping and wiping until I like what I see. This right here almost looks like there's a star shining. I almost hate to swipe anything right there. I might actually just go ahead and cover my sides. Alright, so I'm going to pause this and go ahead and bring you in and let you see the finished painting. Just want to bring you in closer so you can see some of the fun things that pop up when you brush a cell activator over top of your paints. So you see all these fun patterns coming up. And there we are, our final painting. Isn't that beautiful?